there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike, Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called Apps, and this one is from Che Adeleke. In a nutshell, is the world's first AI-powered application that turns any keywords, website, e-com stores, blogs, and pages into iOS and Android mobile app in just a few clicks. And with this, you can create unlimited apps in any niche of your choice, which you can publish in a private marketplace that is synchronized with this application, which has millions of active users. And of course, you can also use this application to integrate 9 different monetization methods with this very application that you create with this very software, and this will make you a lot of money on daily basis. And you can do this basically on autopilot. That means set it once and forget it, and it makes money for you. It's amazing product that is going live today, the very 8th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's New York time, and Central European time 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. That's when the very product will go live. At any point you decide to buy this crazy app production software, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this sales page where you are going to get access to this button that will give you a copy of this for yourself. And if you stick with me, I will take you to my amazing bonuses, which are going to definitely set the pace for you as long as making up for this product is concerned, and also show you through the very members area. I don't have the preview access to this very applications software in action, but I'm going to actually do the video so that you see exactly how it eventually works and how it's going to be of immense benefit for you. These are the bonuses that I'm lined up. A lot of them, they are all softwares and training courses that will help you make money online. Now, at any point you decide, I will encourage you also to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Now let's dive deep into this very one. Like I said before, the creator Che Adeleke, my brother, said that this app is the world's first AI-powered app that turns any keywords, websites, e-com stores, blogs, and pages into iOS and Android mobile apps in just 60 seconds. That means with few clicks you'll be able to do this, and you can monetize it in 9 different ways. Now let us take a look at the benefits you have in a nutshell. It will help you generate hundreds of mobile apps without writing a single line of code yourself. And no code is required actually, which is good. And you can turn any website, blog, e-com, or any URL of your choice into fully functional PWA mobile app, which you can publish in a private marketplace that is synchronized with this application, where you have millions of active users. And you can publish this app without any kind of restrictions. It comes with dozens of drag and drop templates that you can fully customize. I've seen that in the demo video. Okay, and then you have one-click create app of any niche. It could be fashion, it could be car app, it could be real estate, it could be e-com, it could be anything you want. This app, just key in the word and it will be able to come up with something with a few clicks that is going to help you do that. And you have one-click monetization with over 9 different income streams. You send unlimited SMS to your users, turn any keyword into an app, and let the AI write all the contents for you. Just put 1 or 2 codes from there, which you are going to see in the demo video. And of course, that's exactly going to set you up to build your email list as well. Seamless integration with major autoresponders like GetResponse, MailChimp, and Aweber, and the rest of them. No complicated setup, and you get access to over 4.9 million stock images and footages. You have 30-day money back guarantee. That says it all. You can make up your mind on this one. Anytime you decide, this link will give you access to a copy. Let's see how many steps you actually need to get this done. First step will be to log into Apps cloud-based application, which is going to be this application. Okay, when you do that, it will go to the second step, which is to eventually select it from a list of templates. Many of them out there in this application, as I have seen, and then you have to enter a keyword, website, or e-com store, blog, or even any page of your choice, and this very application will turn it into iOS and Android PWA powered application, okay, which you can sell and of course publish in any of the marketplaces where you can get conversions and eyeballs on your application. Okay, now you have step 3, you publish, and then you start a mobile agency with this application, which you can sell to others. And then step 4, you profit using affiliate marketing or any other strategy you desire. So it's very simple and it makes a lot of sense. And if it's coming from Shey Adeleke, then I think we have something here. Okay, so it's a beautiful one, and I will leave the review of the rest of the sales page to you when you arrive here. Just click that first link below in my description. It will bring you to the sales page where you have all the information you need to get this done. You can have fitness app, you can have gaming app, local business app, finance app, fashion apps, real estate apps, content creation apps, e-com applications. Everything is possible with this very software. Okay, so you'll be able to do all of that at your convenience, and I mean making money from your house without having to leave your space. And you definitely create 9 different income streams using these different monetization methods that are linked with this application. Okay, you can receive your money through all the payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe or any of the other ones you have out there. Okay, so for me it's a top-notch product. Okay, but the rest of it I will see if you are going to get access. But I think there are a lot of bonuses from the vendor in this product, which I believe I will have the opportunity to show you if I am permitted. Now, bonus number 1 will be apps 6-figure in 60-day live event. This will be number 1 bonus from the vendor, which you are going to receive. You have number 2, apps multi-vendor mobile apps marketplace, and you have also number 3 as the very apps mobile app affiliate website. You have apps marketplace traffic booster. You have also apps mobile website builder, which is drag and drop, and mobile builder. You have also that's about 5 bonuses from the vendor, which you are going to benefit immediately you buy this product and have access to the membership area. Okay, which is exactly this. And with that said, let us take a look at the very demo video of this product in action, so that you see how it works and how it's going to be of immense benefit to you building mobile apps that you can sell and use to market whatever niche you have out there. Okay, let's see the video and we'll come back to see the pricing and my bonuses. Okay,
hello, in this video I'm going to show you how apps works. So this is the dashboard right here. So to create your mobile apps, you click on my applications, and then this will show all the existing apps you've created. Then you click on new applications, and you can choose this or this. So you can easily turn any website, URL or page to mobile app, or you can start to create from scratch. So let me use this. You click on next, you input your details right here, the app name, the URL of the website that you want to turn to mobile app, the description and others, a category. When you click on next, so you quickly select the theme color right here, the background color, the primary color. Okay, you click on next, then you upload your app icon, then click on create application, and you can see so it has been created successfully. And all you need to do is to click here to download this file and install it on your website root folder. So you click on download, you go to next. For the next step, you download this 2 file as well and also upload it to your website public root folder. So let's click on next. And lastly, you copy this code and you paste it inside your index.html or this, and your website is now going to be running as a mobile app. The setup has been completed, and this is the new app we just created. Alright, so now also let's use this second option. You fill in the details and also you input the keyword. So and you can choose to use a template or start from scratch. I'm going to use a template. Click on proceed. select from the list of templates that we have, or you can fetch out. Okay, so you can also preview. So let me use this. Okay, apps created. Amazing. So this is the template, and you can easily customize this. You can add whatever you want to do. Demo, test. You can change the color. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay. You can also add any of these elements right here. So like this is a timer now, so you can move it up to anywhere you want. So this is it here. You can set the date, you can customize to whatever you want. Okay, you can change the style, the background color, everything that you want. Okay, also you can add the menu, you can modify everything. So once you're done, you click on save changes and you publish your app, and you can click here to preview. So this is a live preview. Okay, and it will ask your viewers, your customers, to install these on their mobile phone, and they can click on install and install this application on their mobile phones. Also, with apps, you can add products. You can easily sell any kind of products right on your mobile app. You can sell digital products, physical products, e-commerce products, or whatever. Okay, so you can add a product category, the order list. Okay, you can also monetize your mobile apps with affiliate offer. All right, you can send SMS right inside apps. You can send push notification. You fill in the title, the message, your mobile apps link right here. Okay, and it also comes with a built-in marketplace that allows you to sell your mobile apps to local businesses. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.
My channel, this is Mike, where I review AI products and of course training courses and softwares that are going to help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the pricing. We want to make this very review snappy because the product speaks for itself. Number one is the front end, which is $17, and that gives you access to this very application with all the capabilities. You have also the unlimited edition, which is the OTO number one. It goes for $67. I mean, everything is basically unlimited. You have OTO number two, which is the upgrade number two done for you edition. It goes for $297. You can imagine why that price is hiked up a little bit, because I mean everything is basically done for you and autopiloted in a way that you make money even when you are sleeping. You have also the number three, the basic automation upgrade, which goes for $47. With this and this, you actually have everything done for you. Okay, and you have number four, which is the upgrade number four, Swift Profit, goes for $47. You have limitless traffic for OTO number 5, goes $97, and you have OTO number 6, which is agency, $167. You have OTO number 7, franchise edition, which means you can have the franchise rights to this very application, and it goes for $97. You have the OTO number 8, which is the upgrade number 8, and it happens to be the last one, which is multiple income. It goes for just $47. So this takes care of the basic pricing for this product, including the front end and all the upsells. So now let's see the crazy bonuses that I have for you. They're actually amazing. Number one will be the Latitude, which is a software and training course that is going to teach you how to actually spin making money online through push button profits making mechanisms like NFTs, which has to do with digital ads on blockchain. You have also the TweetX, which is a Chrome extension that is going to help you drive traffic from X, formerly called Twitter, to any offer or link of your choice. It could be the application that is created with this very software you have here, apps. Okay, and you have also the Insurgency, which gives you a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have the number 4 as Lazy Traffic Sniper, which means you can snipe buyer traffic without actually doing much, because this very software is going to help you snipe them online. You have also number 5, which is JavaScript Commission Bot, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions using a bot system that is installed in your computer or any of your Android phones or iPhone. You have also number 6, the lockdown formula, which gives you access to starting online as a beginner. That means I started with this one myself during the lockdown of the COVID, and you will be able to benefit with this immense beginner-friendly training course, how to start from scratch and scale your business online exponentially. Okay, now number 7, which is the last, will be my favorite commissions toolbox, where you have different links mounting up to 1,000 in number, above 1,000 in number, and this will give you access to different capabilities: email, auto mass sender. You have also the access to background removers, link shorteners, name it. You have over 1,000 of them, and at any point you decide to buy this product, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you find a page that will look like this. This button will give you access to apps, and this one will give you access to the bonuses that I have lined up for you. If you don't have access to it using this button, just email me on my email address, which is synchronized with WordPlus platform where this product is being launched and hosted. You'll be able to get access to that by email. Okay, that's about what I have with my bonuses, and now let us wrap it up here. I will encourage you also to indicate your interest as soon as 5 p.m. Central European Time, 4 p.m. GMT, and that's 11 a.m. New York time, which is Central European Time, which is Eastern Time actually, and that's when these buttons will be operational for you to get a copy of this amazing apps product, where you will be able to create iOS, Android enabled applications, mobile applications on any niche of your choice. It could be real estate, it could be e-blogs, it could be e-com, anything. You can use ordinary URL links to actually create an app which you can synchronize with a marketplace that is private and has millions of active users. You'll be able to use that to make money online. This is why we end it for apps review today. I will come back to you in my next, but do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, bye for now.